Hello and welcome. This is Varun, Technical Advisor, Design and Prototyping, and Educational Consultant for Tutormash.com. In this session, we will be discussing about Boolean operations. Union is one among the important Boolean operations that we use in AutoCAD. It helps you to combine two or more 3D solids, surfaces, or 2D regions into a single composite object. As you can see here in this drawing, you have two different regions like this. So when you use the union command, it will combine it together to become a single object like this. You can use this union command in 3D solids also to create complex designs and structures. Now let's see the union command in the software. Consider I have a rectangle like this. Correct. Let me draw a circle which will overlap the rectangle like this. Right. Now if I want to make these two objects as a single object, you must remember that you have to make this object as a region or a surface or a solid. So we all know how to make it as a region. The command for region is reg and press enter. After activating the command, I will go and select the objects which I want to make it as a region, and I will press enter. So now you can see that it is written two regions created. You can check your visual style by changing from 2D wireframe to shaded to get to know the objects has become a region like this. Now let me come back to my 2D wireframe from here like this and do the command union. The shortcut for union is UNI and press enter. This will activate the union command. The union command is now asking to select the objects which I want to make it as a single object. I will select the entire object like this and press enter. So now you can see that it becomes a single object, and when you select it, it is a single object. Now in my experience, I would like to recommend you not to use union in between the designing. That is because once you have done your union, it is very difficult to get the individual parts back. So I recommend you to use union only after completing the entire designing and drawing. So that's the end of this session, and we hope you understood well. Keep posting your queries and feedback. And for more videos, log on to www.tutormash.com. Thank you.